Hello friends, I am Venkatesh from Dempo Robotics Academy Goa. After a long time, I am making this MIT App Inventor tutorial video. So now friends, I will teach you how to make the age calculator app. Let's start creating the project. Click on Start New Project and name it as My Age Calculator. Now you can change any of the properties to make it more fancier. For now, I will keep the background as white. Change both the alignments to center and first drag a label. Adjust the properties as I am doing. Now let's drag one more label here and name it as birth year. Follow as I am changing the properties. Drag one text box. Remove the hint. And then make the background color to black and the text color to white. Drag one more text box and do the same as we did for the previous one. Even friends, change the text alignment to center. Friends, if you want, you can put some images and make it more decorative. Drag one more label and name it as current year. So now our design is done. We should go to the code section. Now here, create a variable. Variable is basically name it to age. For now, we won't put any value. We keep it as 0. Now, friends, we have to add a button in the design and name it to calculate. Now, as the button is pressed, friends, here I have renamed these components. So let's start coding the button to display the result. For the result, we have to add one label over here below the calculate button and keep the text as nothing, as we'll display a result here. Friends, if you want, you can put the text to 0 or nothing. I will put it to 0. So now, get the set global age box. You will find it here also. Then we have to minus it. So from the math function, I will take this block. We have to minus the current year by the birth year. So friends, here it showed my current age, which is 11 years. Thank you friends